Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the Morning Grain Comments. Hope everybody had a safe weekend. I think for the next week to 2 weeks, a lot of the markets will be watching closely the talks in trying to increase the debt limit here in the U.S., avoiding default on our debt. Right now, the two parties are quite a bit apart, but many people think that at the last minute they will come up with some type of agreement to extend the debt limit. Obviously, extension would be positive to the stocks and commodities, whereas default would be negative. We're also looking at weather. Parts of the Midwest over the next 10 days will dry out. The area that probably will dry out the quickest is Illinois, Iowa, and Missouri. So we'll have to see if we put any weather premium back in the marketplace. As far as global weather is concerned, the rains over the weekend in Argentina was less than expected. Central Brazil remains dry. Europe, weather conditions are favorable, just like most of Ukraine and western Russia. The spring wheat areas of Russia are drying out. Temperatures are on the rise. So about 10 days from now, that area of Russia is going to need a rain. Canada, especially western Saskatchewan and Alberta, is dry, while eastern Saskatchewan and Manitoba, conditions are mostly favorable. As we look at Australia, scattered showers across parts of the extreme southern areas, a little bit in further interior, it is dry, and El Nino could have Australia with lower crops this year. So other than that, U.S. corn, soybean, wheat exports remain on the low side with competition from Brazil in beans and down the road in corn, and then competition in wheat mostly from Russia and eastern bloc countries. Beans right now up 9 cents at $13.16 on the July. November is up about 7 cents. Corn, July is up 4 cents at $5.58. It's about 4 cents off the overnight highs. Dees right now is about unchanged at $5. The low overnight was $4.96. Chicago wheat's down 5 cents at $6. Stock market looks like it's going to open up a little bit lower. The dollar is a little bit lower while crude is unchanged. Most of the gold, copper, silver, cocoa, coffee, sugar, and cotton markets are all a little bit lower. So again, debt ceiling, weather, and then the fact that U.S. is running behind pace on its export commitments versus the USDA offers resistance to the marketplace. But again, weather in parts of the world offers support.